Hello, good day friends. Today we will see how you can speed up your Samsung Galaxy A07. There are multiple methods to do that. So let's start. The first option is limit background processes. To do that, go to settings, scroll down, then go to device care. Tap on battery. Now here you will see background usage limits. Tap on it. And here you will see two options, sleeping apps and deep sleeping apps. Tap on sleeping apps. Now add any app from which you are getting too many notifications. For example, I am putting Instagram on this. So I will receive only important notifications. Now the second option is deep sleeping apps. Tap on it. In this option, you will not receive any kind of notification from this app. So let's say I want to put Fortnite on this because I don't need any kind of disturbance from this app. So I will not receive any kind of notification from this. Through that, it will speed up your mobile. Now let's move forward to second option. The second option is reduce animation. To do that, go to your settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Then go to vision enhancement. Scroll down. Here you will see the option of reduce animation. Enable this. After enabling this, it will reduce the animation from switching from one app to another and it will speed up your mobile. Now let's move forward to third option. To perform that, go to settings, then scroll down and tap on apps, then click on this icon. Sort by sizes, tap OK. Now here you will see all the big apps which are taking too much space in your mobile. So let's say I don't want Spotify in my mobile because I use Samsung Music instead. So tap on it and here you will see the option of uninstall. Tap on uninstall and now the app is uninstalled. And your mobile will be speed up through this process. Now let's move forward to another option which is enable RAM plus. What is that and how you can do that? Let me show you. Go to your settings, then scroll down. Go to device care, then go to memory. Now here you will see the option of RAM plus. Now from here you can extend your RAM. So as you can see, I have already extended it from 2 GB to 4 GB. After extending your RAM, your mobile will restart, so don't panic. I hope you like this option. Let's move forward to another option. The fifth option is background process limit. How you can do that? Let me show you. Go to your settings, scroll down, and here you will see developers option. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Go to your about phone, go to software information, then here you will see build number. Tap 7 times here and your developer option will be enabled. So as you can see, my developer option is now enabled. Now scroll down and you need to go to the apps section in developers option. Now here you will see the option of background process limit. Tap on it and select at most 2 processes. After doing that, your mobile will only process only 2 apps at background. It will speed up your mobile and it will run fast. I hope you like all these methods. If you do, please hit a like do consider us subscribing, and I will see you in next video.